Sound. Methods to measure water depth with the sound.
In the field of geography, sounding is an important technique for measuring water depth. Many explorers use the sound to determine the depth of rivers and lakes. For example, a sailor may drop a weighted line to sound the depth before entering a harbor. The sailor records the soundings at regular intervals to create a depth chart. Another example is when surveyors sound the depth of a river to plan a bridge. They use a sounding line and mark the depth at several points. These soundings help engineers design safe structures. Therefore, sounding is essential for mapping underwater features. In summary, sounding is a key method in geography for understanding water depth and ensuring safety in navigation.
So, sound means to measure the depth of water by lowering a line or instrument until it touches the bottom. This definition is used in navigation and surveying. Synonyms include measure depth, take a sounding, and determine water depth.